Hey guys, during rest I have 3 pocket knives for you. Thought I'd do a quick video. These are Hammer brand. They're all pretty much the same, very similar. They all have the plastic wrapped shell handles here. This one's really nice. Really like this green in here and like a cracked ice in there. They all have pretty much have a pin blade and a spear point on them. Got the pin blade on this one. This one has the spear point with a swedge on it, long nail nick. This one I believe is the same. Pin blade. And then spear point with the long nail nick. Equal ends, they're all equal ends. These are Hammer brands, and Hammer brand was made by Imperial Knife Company from 1936 through 55. They had the Hammer brand line, and these ones are from 1945 to 55. And I think that's it, guys. Just a quick video for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.